Hi. Did you hear my hi? I never know quite how long this is going to take. It's on ultra low. My microphone's a little bit far. That's because I don't really want it in my face. Having a bit of juice. Send a message. Dangerously low on juice. FYI. Have a think about what the plan is. I guess I share my stuff. Oh, that's not what we want to do, is it? You see, that shared the wrong CueCam. How do I like remove? Can I remove a window from a share? I don't think I can. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just close this. And then we can have a bit of Xcode. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I've been doing some video pencil, but I'm going to go over to CueCam 4 again, I think, because that's where the fun is for me. Can Xcode? Is that not clickable? Close project, close window, file, close project, close workspace, stop. Okay. And let's go over to CueCam 4. And then switch to CueCam, build it. See that it actually builds. Check if there's anyone here. There was one person waiting. Was that me? Okay. Right, this. Wait, what? Why are you even shared content metadata? Yeah, it's showing some errors from. Oh, so we need to, for video pencil, we're going to have to annotate some of these. Is it working? Let's see. I think this is actually all right. Let me just get my video pencil up and running. Settings, ignore CueCam, false. Force quit, come back. What is this so clunky? The joys of Xcode. Come on. Why is this so choppy? Eesh. Okay, right. Well, it's in theory it's connected. Oh, CueCam dev. We want CueCam. Oh, we want CueCam. Wait, where's CueCam MF Black? It says it's connected to Video Pencil, but it's called CueCam Dev. Let's just come out here one more time. Oh my goodness, this thing. Okay, it's like connecting to the wrong thing. This is definitely the right CueCam that's running. Am I just gonna like CueCam MF back? Found it. It's connecting to 3 different damn CueCams. Let's kill. Oh my goodness. What's going on here? I want to, like, is this X code? How are we looking now? How are we looking now? Any better? This. I think I should remove CueCam from there. Okay, let's just redo my slot. Oh no, because I want to. Okay, we'll just share the desktop. Quit. Let's quit everything. It needs to be quit. What is using all of my. Ooh. Xcode is going nuts here. Oops. Like my activity monitor is just like Xcode is going absolutely nuts. Look at this. Oh, that's just memory though. It is. It's all my video encoder services. It looks alright on. Yeah, it does look alright on YouTube, right? Activity monitor is just like Xcode is going absolutely nuts. Okay. Is this built or did it not? Why is this all build succeeded. Okay. This is all nothing. Build succeeded. Ignore all these error messages. These are actually not error messages, and you should know that, idiot. Right, this is. I will go over to CamLink. Right, this is what we're looking like now. Look, check this out. CueCam 4. So we've got. Yeah, this is everything. So mic and camera are down here. Video pencil is here. Don't know why that's not clickable. Go live is down here. Record is down here. So like, you know, the outputs and the inputs all along the wrong bar. The best part is I can just drag this somewhere else. Ooh, so I can bring it up to under my teleprompter, and I've like always got my CueCam controls handy. How good is that? So then, yeah, it sort of like it connects itself. What happens if we resize? Yeah, okay, so it doesn't resize with the window just now. If you come back to it, it will. Well, it actually won't. But yeah, so then, sidebar, let's have a card. So now we've got a card, got a sidebar. We can add some teleprompter text. Right, this personalized thing needs to be. I want that to be the overlay, like it is in the main CueCam. So what I want to do is, oh wait, I bet this, okay, so I bet you if I make this wide, this, yeah, personalized thumbnails only Okay, but yeah, this is it. I think we just have to put it in the right-click menu. For CueCam 4, right, F, personalize thumbnails. Is currently sort of overlaid, but what if we just put that on the sidebar? Studio sidebar. So I'm gonna go. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Hello? Is anybody here? No. Um. Right. There's card thumbnails, card sidebar preview, context menu, card context menu. Okay, so let's just stick. Where should it be? Should it be where does it go? I guess it's like um remove slide from card is weird. That's not. I don't think remove slide from card is anything. So let's just stick this. This is done implicitly. And then let's see what happens here. We've got to do, where's card generator? Okay, so we're going to go import card generation. Count is in CueCam sources. So we've got CueCam, we've got that. And then we do need a generator for that. Thumbnail generator. So where are you getting? Context. State bar generator, card thumbnail generator. So I guess we need to give it to the context menu. Or maybe we'll just add it here and not do it in the card. No, I kind of want to. Just means I've got to make another generator here or pass it in forever. I don't know. That's fine. We'll just not. I think it will be an improvement. And then we can get rid of that. The thing here. Thumbnail generator. Generator. Look, I've got two card thumb. Right, is anything? I've got two card thumbnail. Show callers. Are you seeing this? Let's just. All right. That's happening. Just... Thumbnail generator. Thumbnail generator, right? So that's not. Right. So this is our only. This is our only one, and it appears when. Okay. Right. Let's have a look. We're also need to move over to the side a bit. That's weird, isn't it? I don't know what's going on there. Right, is this running? Right, so now sidebar. Wait. My phone is taking forever to charge on this USB hub. This is okay, so it says clearly it's got stuck. Card. What have I done wrong here? What's this? Card thumbnails. What have I done here? Is it this? I need to like make this conditional. If let thumbnail. Yeah. I saw someone made a video about like complaining about Swift UI, and like the way he was going, I thought, there's no way these gripes make any sense unless at the end of the video you're going to be like, and here's my framework that helps you do Swift UI better. At which point I was going to be like, yeah, people have tried to out Apple, and they, things always, they always get you in the end. Do you know what? Maybe we don't want the. So if I was to go insert card after, that's not going to have a new thumbnail, is it? So that's annoying. Reset thumbnails also doesn't update the thumbnails. Fly. Right, things that don't work at the moment. This. Mostly this. So this I'm excited about. Right, I want to be able. Right, why can't I click in show something? Why can't I click in to show something? Right, so what we're doing here is we're not using the searchable modifier per se. We might so I've just tried procrastination click. Yeah, so this is the last thing I did, but for some reason it's like not letting me focus on this text field. It's not even. Oh, that's weird. It does show text stuff. What happens if we? And so the main body is. Ooh. Should we go some view for this? Um, and then just see if, because I feel like this would be more natural. Oh, no. Okay, but this I just then have to do that. And then I have to call it. Yeah, okay. Okay, still not clickable. Um, and then query is state variable passed in. Okay, what we got here? Background. Should we try Command L? No, it doesn't do anything. So I don't know if we're like in the wrong window. We're in a different window now. What's this overlay? If open. Cause I think this needs to be. Should we try it as a sheet? Oh, this is the overlay that goes over everything. So I'm gonna try. This is not good. Yeah, okay, let's just see. So we'll go overlay and we'll just say like if use searchable modifier. And then dot sheet. And this is like div. Let's so we'll put overlay content in here. Come on, Michael. You build a bar, overlay content, overlay content. Let's just see. Oops. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so that's that. And then what happened there? Oh, yeah, okay. No, come on. Yes. Now you're going to work. Oh, hello, Lorenzo. Welcome. Why didn't I hear anything when you said that? When did you say that? 4:13. Hi, Lorenzo. How's it going? I am working on CueCam 4. It's coming together. Is this clickable? Oh man, I can't click in this. So look, this is your floating CueCam control bar where you can turn your mic and camera off. see if you're live and recording status, and share everything. I got a sound that time. Very loud. Good to hear that all is well. Apologies if I'm quiet. I don't want the camera right down here. The mic right down here. Okay, so I'm trying to make this. I've got this thing that's supposed to be work with the searchable modifier in a normal window, but I'm trying to make it work interchangeably in like this floating window, this floating CueCam window. So no, but I can't for some reason I can't click on this text field at the moment. So what if we just don't call main body and just see what happens then? No. Okay, so what if so maybe it must be from the place it's used then. It was already open. Come on, Xcode. Look at that spinning beach ball. You can't see the spinning beach ball. CueCam show. Wait, where do we? CueCam show. Oh, it's actually in CueCam main window. We've got. Oh no, it's in bottom bar window. CueCam bottom bar window, which is called with. Unified document view, CueCam bottom bar window. Right, okay, so view any view bottom toolbar. This is bottom toolbar. It's got a geometry reader. Not a great start. That's not ideal. Why does it have the geometry reader? Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't really know what that's doing. And then it's that share bar slots view. Am I in the right? Oh, share bar slots view is then. So that's that. No, sorry, it's here. Search CueCam show zone. Use. So we've just put a spacer. So what if we just do color dot clear or red and see what happens then? Don't give me none. Don't give me no issues. We don't need no issues. Just keeps reopening. I need to like make map. Okay, still. Look, interesting. Like it's something's happening here because I can't drag by the text field, so something's going on there. How cool is that though? Look, just sort of keep it. Oh, that's weird though. What? So when I click on it, yeah, maybe that's not what we want to happen. Yeah, I don't think that's what's supposed to happen when you click on it. But anyway, so CueCam. So there's no red. Oh, because I'm not actually. All right, use searchable modifier. use searchable modifier. Content is going to be the red. Modifier, show zone, use searchable modifier. If I were to turn, oh no, it is calling main body. Let's see if that's, oh no, because I turned off, I'm not calling content. Wait, do I still need to call content? I don't think I need to call content. What happens if we should see some red. Oh, how do I would really love to clear these, okay, so there's the red split with the main content. So that's where that red has gone. But we actually don't really care about the content, because we just want to show something instead. So why, right. Is this, well, maybe this will work. Maybe this will tell us something. Inspect the view. If it works, half the time it doesn't work with CueCam. Although it should be better these days because it's not nearly as complex a view hierarchy as it has been. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can. Okay, there we go. Right, so we want this. Where's the window? Is it this one? Teleprompter. This one? Main window. This one? AppKit window controller. CueCam bottom bar window. Right, so if we click on there. Want layer. So we've got NS hosting view. Focus in. God, it's actually working. Whoops. That's not what I was trying to do. Sorry, where's the thing to X? I need to focus on this. Right, so here's hosting view controller. And then we've got, okay, let's look up here. Not hidden, not opaque. Wants layer. System text field editor, editable on, selectable on. I mean, I can't see anything wrong with it. Okay, let's focusable. I haven't got. Focusable. Ah. Do we go like dot fixed? Should we go like dot fixed size? And then should we do like clipped? Because maybe it's just like not got any bounds, but it like looks like it has. Look, show something. Why is that over there now? Fixed size. That's why. Okay. Border, blue, border, red. See, it's actually quite boring watching what I do. so there's no red border, which I suppose, yeah, because they're both kind of the same. And it is like it's min width, but it's filling the space. Do I have to do something to this window? Is okay. So if I were to go floating CueCam bottom bar window, if I were to change these settings, it may be the window style mask. Although I can click everything else. Do I have to like? That hasn't changed anything. That's okay. But do we have to say? Is there like a utility window? Let's try this. Because this is likely to be some Mac OS window configuration thing. Come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah. So yeah, it's something to do with, although that should be popping up the sheet. Okay, so is it HUD window that's doing it? I mean, I don't know what HUD window is supposed to do, so I probably don't need it. Yeah, okay, so it's one of those. Resizable? Wait. Doesn't seem very resizable. Okay, no, it is resizable. But, okay, something there. What? So this, what can we have here? Closable. Dock modal window. Don't know what that is. Full screen. Can appear full screen. Don't know why my prompter thing keeps coming up. Non-activating panel. Titled utility window. Oh, HUD window is still on. Okay, we'll ask the AI. So is it borderless that messes it up? It's not borderless. Okay, so if we just don't set the style mask. Yeah, okay, so if let's ask the robot. Come on, robot, where are you? Robot. If I set this style mask, I can't focus that contained text field anymore. Like all the music in my head is Harvey's little toys now. So I've got Happy Birthday to You playing in my head. Right, borderless windows don't accept key status by default, which is why text fields, okay. Override can become key and can become main. Oh, you've done it for me, have you? All right, robot. You've actually earned your keep in this, but you've earned some tokens. Oh God, how long that takes to build. Are we running? Yeah, I mean, sometimes. Ah, there you go. Right. Okay, cool. Oh, look, we can also like focus the things now. That's kind of cool. Right. So, so then. Oh, but what causes open? Oh, oh. So shall we say sheet? Um. Okay. So on change of search focused, what was doing? What was toggling open? Okay, so that focuses the search. But now what was toggling open before then? So we'll just say on change of search focused. Get out of it. Change. You gotta be really careful these days. Search focused. New value. Okay. Let's just make that a bit clearer. Okay, right. We've got a. Well, I mean, this is not what. Oh, because it auto-focused the search field. Okay. I mean, how do we how do we make that not focus by default? Um, on appear. Just to be to be on the safe side. Now, why? So this is kind of like this is going to be a little cursed, isn't it? So what does that? Yeah. So the overlay content. Oh, it's just a VStack with some unnecessary. You know what? Okay. Let's. This is actually all stuff from the searchable modifier, which was kind of requiring. I was just like, yeah, give me some glass. All right, so by not making a fallback for that, we've actually saved. And then we just like, not using anyway, do not care. Um, so the sheet, because I might need to build a window, like yet another window with the search results in for this thing to work. I was hoping that the normal sheet would. Panel content. Okay, panel content is in there. And then like CueCam show zone panel content is scroll view reader. All right. I'm just trying to get this. Yeah, that did not work. Right, what am I looking at here? And if I were to like, now is there? Shall we see if the robot knows? Right, show zone is in a sheet. Okay, so let's put this on here. Let's put this on here. Just let this all be nice and explicit. Okay. So this sheet, the sheet. Oh, I just need to make the height big, don't I? Overlay content. Right, so here it's max width and max height, but actually that's for this scenario. But this scenario I actually want to be explicit. So dot frame width height. So 520 height 600. Will this make the window the right size? Because yeah, like before it was going to fill up the available vertical space, but now it just needs to like make the, yeah, there it is. Okay, now, but maybe it should be a popover. That's a sheet, but should we do, let's try it as a popover. And I need to decide if I hate this or not. I feel like, I did do an animation. Yeah, okay. So, why won't it? I can't. I can't free myself from the popover. Can I? Does this work? This? Oh, look, the keyboard. Well, kind of working as well as it did. But if I were to take this up here, ooh, that's good. That. If I get that for free, I'm happy. But we need to figure out why it keeps coming back. Why does it keep coming back like something out of a horror film? Just it keeps focusing back to the search field. But what in? But like the search, we should be able to like stop being focused on the search field. Okay, what happens if I try and like type something in here though? Yeah, so it like takes focus away is the problem. When it's popped up, it's going to take focus away. Okay, let's ask the robot. Even if just to organize my own thoughts. Right, take the contents of seeing the overlay content. I think I need to actually make a window for this to work. And we stop thinking with our human brain and just wait to see if the slot machine of the LLM is capable. It should know all the sort of NS Windows stuff. You know, all this arcane app kit, Coco stuff. It should know enough to, like, in its data banks, know what the secret formula is. Oh, that's NS part doing what it always does. It puts content in a key window, so the text loses it. There's no Swift UI. Right, so replace it with an in-window overlay. Overlays click to the host window around, so that's no good. Present the panel in a non-activating NS panel. Yeah, exactly. Becomes key only if needed. Okay, given the popover. Yeah. Want me to implement it? Sure. We'll let the robot do it. But I bet you it doesn't like take into account where the window is on the screen and stuff like that. But maybe we can get a good starting point. And it can look at how I've done it elsewhere. We've got some lag on the chroma key. I don't like it. There's some laggy chroma key because I switched how. Because there was a crash if I just used, because I'm copying the buffers in CueCam, I'm copying the mask and stuff again, but it just means like the performance is worse. See, look, I'm using an LLM to work, but it just means I'm not doing anything while I'm waiting. And like, if it's quick, it's fine because I can keep going. But this is making me lose my thread. It's taken so long. So now I'm like, I should just think about. I could have done this myself. Could have done it already. I could have done this, and now I just don't. I'm sort of scared to touch anything because it's going to start editing at the same time. Oh, you should use multiple Git sub workspaces. I should. I always want to say subtree when it's sub something else. Um, what is this? Come on, man. Give me some. Tell me what you're doing. I'll add an NS panel backed helper. Right, what have you done? Right, non-activating back. Why would you? Why non-activating panel background? The fuck? Right, so you made a NSV representable. What is this? No. Non-activating panel background. So it's made an NSV representable. Why it's weird that why is it a background? How is what yeah, and of course we'll run it. We'll run it. You see, like it's like too small. I mean, it's like, well, what have you done there? What have you done? I mean, there is a panel there. What happens if we do it, yeah, from up here? What have you made? All right, no, we undo, undo, undo. So what we want is a Um, results, right, panel, right? We'll call it results panel, okay? We will do extension view, func results panel. Panel, presented, is presented, and then is presented, binding bool, content, view builder, content, some view, right, and then that goes to some view, right, and I think that should make that happy. Results panel, right, so that's happy. And then we're going to go view modifier, results panel struct modifier, view modifier. Binding is presented. So then we go modifier, results panel modifier is presented, content. Okay. Content has no, yeah, because you need content view, and that needs to be content. Oh wait, no. Ooh, panel content. Escape. All right, and then fix that. Escaping. Dot pop over. Let's just is presented content. Panel content. Yeah, we need to be careful because modifiers already have like a content thing. Panel content, right? Blip. Panel content. All right, and let's just see. Overview. All right, okay, let's run that, see if we get the same popover. Also, let's, I think I don't need to run full CueCam to be testing this. Let's have a look. Let's, in fact, just stop. Let's switch to real-time progress testing view so we can build it quicker and maybe get it working. I don't think the previews are going to work because it's like too many windows, but at least we can speed up the builds. Come on. Let's see what we get. Waiting, we're waiting. I'm waiting for my free sausage roll. Right, there it is. Okay, yeah, so that's still. Yeah, let's get rid of the slots in our placeholder. Placeholder bottom bar. Number of slots. Let's go. Number of slots is going to be 0. Right, search shows something. Right, so there's our. Oh, where's panel content? Results panel. Overlay content. Pop over panel content. Yeah, that's not. Sorry, I need to check it. Just check it's not my testing. Video pencil. What will you be using video pencil for? Golf swing analysis. Well, how did you find this app? AI. Okay. Why is this build taking a year? Yeah, okay, so it's something to do with my testing. Why is my placeholder show zone panel content placeholder show zone use searchable modifier content dot modifier? Sorry, CueCam show zone looks like content modifier show zone. And then inside that, scroll view reader, blah, blah, blah. This Mac web. Menu content query. And then menu content is like okay. Will this give us enough to be getting on with? I'm gonna go new laser pointer style. Fade after pause. Right. Hello, hello, hello. Right, there we go. So we got a pop-up. It's got some gubbins in it. So now we're going to try and make our own. We're going to try and make our own system. Right. So state var window. Right. On appear. Equals. Yeah, that's right. And it's not NS hosting view. NS hosting view, root view, argument passed, content view controller, hosting controller, root view. Right. On disappear. On disappear, can we like get rid of the window? Window dot close. And let's say window dot close is like something's released when closed equals true, I think. Will the thing crash? Window. Now, what was it saying about the kind of window? Style mask. Can you? Oh, it doesn't show you the contents of this. I guess I have to copy it. Right, style mask. So I want that bit. What's P? Ugh. Ugh. Panel. So we make it a panel, do we? Oh, we should. No, we added. Yeah, source view.window to add child window ordered above, like, and that's what we've done here. So we definitely want to do that because then that stays in the right place. But what sets? Okay, content controller. Okay, right. Panel? No, I'm just going to add a child window with. So we're going to say non-activating panel window dot style mask equals. No, I don't like what you've come up with. Dot borderless. Don't autocomplete stuff I didn't ask for. Hard window. Fine utility window. I don't know. And then we will state var window. Oh wait, that's okay. We'll call this panel one. Nope. And then let's go state var window, and that's window. And then we go dot bind window, right? Window on change of window. If let window guard let window equals new value, else turn, and then instead of on appear, we're going to do all this in here. And also we're going to say right on change of window, dollar window, sorry. Had to look for the dollar sign then. And then we go window to add child window. Ooh, look at that. Jank. Look at that old child win. Dear. Mac OS with some sketchy names. Okay, so panel. That's definitely going to exist, but I just and above. See what happens now. Okay, we've got. Okay, so if we wait. Oh, but the modifier's not. Okay, on change of is presented. Right. Is hidden. Hmm. I mean, it's. I guess we just keep the window then. It just lives forever. I would like to. Right. So now this is a child of this thing. Oh, but this is. Oh man, this is not. This is not a good test. Let's go back to the CueCam thing. 'Cause I think we just need to be in the CueCam app. I don't think my testing is going any quicker. Ooh, they're back. Oh, they're back. Maybe I'll just finish early today. Since I don't seem to have any company. Oops. Oops. Go to dashboard. No one's watching. Views 6. Oh, someone is watching. Sorry, Lorenzo, if you are still there. Oh, it takes so long to do anything. Right. So what we want to see is, okay, when I move this window, is this gonna like move this other one around? Yes. Can I like drag it? No, I guess not. It's not like hiding it. Okay, but Discord? It's not, also not filtering the results. Because yeah, so we're not gonna have keep up the great. Thank you, Lorenzo. I'll pin that. We'll see if the timeout that we figured out last week. Ooh, that was kind of short, wasn't it? Keep up the great work, Michael. And gone. Maybe that's it. I think that could stand to be a bit longer, couldn't it? Um. You see what I'm. Right, so nothing's changing. Like it should be filtering. Oh no, but the apps is empty. Oh, the apps are empty. Blank. So nothing's happening when we type because the results panel is only getting called once, isn't it? It's just then it's never going to be invalidated by anything. Uh, this is too much effort. This is a bit too much. We get a window. How did this thing do it? How did this thing keep it up to date? It was like it was a what kind of view? Just a view. it was just like, oh wait, what was it returning here? Make NS view just makes a view. Update context coordinator update. So we sort of need that update mechanism, don't we? So that then we can go like update panel open blah 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 hosting controller root view any view content position. Right, so we need that update mechanism. Double. So then we go final class coordinator subject. We go parent parent init. We go make coordinator. We go coordinator parent self. We go make view. We go NS view. We go update view. We go coordinator. Update. With context. Oh wait, context. Update with whatever has now changed. So the values we have is open. Is presented. Bool. Update is presented. Is presented, and then I guess content, panel content. We need to stop CueCam. It's in the way. Panel content. So this is going to be right, and we're going to have this. Right, we've got that already. Panel content, right, and then func update. Please, yes, thank you. No, that's not. And we'll go yeah, well, and then we've got to go to like dot background net presentable presented panel content. Right, this background just because so it's got somewhere to live. Right, and then window. Yeah, and I'm actually going to go window. And we're going to get rid of that. Well, we're going to take this stuff and put it window. Well, should we say parent window? Right, and then parent window. Wait, let's go. Var parent window, NS window. And then put them in the right order, please. Thank you. And then we're going to go panel. NS window. We're going to panel. Can't be used on instance. Oh, what? Panel. Oh, yeah. That's not necessary. Parent.panel content. Main actor. Parent window. And the panel. Well, super parent. Dot parent window. I should just call it window. Right, and then when we update it, okay, so let hosting controller, NS hosting controller, yeah, and then hosting controller, root view equals panel content. So this should now update. Okay, there we go. That updates now. Cool. And if we press enter, that's cool. That showed Discord. How do I stop sharing? I've lost my. I need my buttons back. Oh no! Can I even? I can't even drag this window anymore. Why can't I drag this? I thought I could drag this. Yeah, okay, I can drag it by that. Should we? Let's just make this thing draggable by drag a movable true, so we can like maintain some sanity for now. Wait, giraffe? What's that? Giraffe? Lion? Give me a lion. And then on my camera, there's a lion. Yeah, and then we just need to like, okay, sorry, we just need to like position it with the is presented. Yeah, so let me move you out of the way. And Discord pencil, video pencil, pencil.mov. Where's that? I need to be able to show the file. What we got? Video pencil render. Oh, yeah, I really want to be able to. Discord. How do I stop sharing? I need like. Okay, sharing Discord. And there can be like a pin on there, can't there? Well, that should be like. That should probably be part of that. Now I'm looking at it. Things to think about, huh? That's like the mute button now. Sharing Discord. Those need to be unified. Hello, blank board, enter, enter, blank board. Give me, click. Oh, the keyboard shortcuts aren't working. Okay. Where are they supposed to be? Why am I not getting... Oh, so this needs to be like part of... This isn't overlay content anymore. Wait, what? Down arrow? Okay, down arrow is getting hit there. Handle keyboard. Self, handle keyboard, query. Yeah, okay, it just does. That should be working. The only thing I'd quite like to do, we can get some live previews working. What preview do we want? This is... Can I have a preview of just like the bottom toolbar? Preview CueCam, bottom placeholder bottom bar. Yeah, but this... The only thing, I'm just, like, we need back and previous to kind of like live here as well. Let's just put them in and then call it a day. See what that feels like to live with. So if we go CueCam bottom, no, unified document view, bottom toolbar, handle window bound, right, and that is the bottom toolbar. We just need to, right, that's our CueCam. I think we can just go space in there. And we can go unified document view. It was doing back button, forward button, back button and forward button. I'm just gonna back button. What is back button? Back forward. A back button has both buttons. Okay, let's just okay, let's have a struct CueCam presentation navigation buttons view body presenter shared and showing history. This is for the drop down. Okay, and all right, and then clear button, presentation, clear button. Construct presentation. Clear button. View body. Give me that thing. We are decomposing our views. And then now in our bottom bar, oh, what's failed? Is number of slots missing. Oh, because okay. Sorry, we just like to always make sure that we're doing that. And then selection. Binding, bar, selection, set, card. Yes? What is selection? Set card. Yeah. Binding bar, cannot find clear button. No, because you need presentation. Clear button, selection, dollar, selection. Okay. What is selection coming from? Right, actually, we have our selection. This is going to matter. This is going to be needed to be moved up into document window state. So let's just do a placeholder for now. Just see what it looks like. Bottom bar. Just what happens if we go present navigation buttons, presentation, clear button, dot constant. Okay, we need to fix that. But let's just see what they look like. Oh, did it fail? No. Oh, we're on the wrong project. Are we? Yeah, the wrong project. No wonder it's okay. And then I'm going because it's Friday night. Maybe I'll get a beer. Alcohol-free beer, of course. Vegan sausage roll. Oh, the build times. The build times. Build times. The goddamn build times. 750, 758, 763, 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3. An episode of Silo. I think they are out the back. 888 902 908. Jesus. Oh, but it's already running, so let's just quit the other one. You can only have one single instance of the CueCam presenter at the one time. And then we control run, so we don't build it again. Right. So now, okay, look, back, forward, clear. Discord. Clear. And then should we do like button style? Should I just stick a bit of button style? Style.glass. And then just stick that around. Let's just see if they look good in liquid glass. 20, 23, 43, 28, 37. All right. Oh no, that looks like balls. What? How is that glass? How is that a liquid glass effect? Glass container? Effect container? Does it make all the buttons? You see, I'm coming right down to the wire. Jesus, what is this now? Right, yeah, because it's just not giving me toolbar. It's just not giving me Shall we let's do my own button style dot hover button style. And get rid of that. Okay, at least the builds are happening now. It's not too bad. Still a lot of waiting. Hover. Oh, look, it's not even working. And also my hover button style doesn't have a disabled state. Oh, well, it does. Yeah, it doesn't. It only hovers. Okay, we just need to. I think I've got a toolbar style, haven't I? I think I made a tool. I think I made a toolbar style, didn't I? Lozenge, expanding. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna have to get to it. We're gonna have to make a button style for that. All right, have a good weekend, everyone. You see, if I had the new CueCam, I wouldn't be hunting around for the CueCam window right now. If you're still, no one's here.